Copy-pasting the same ref plus function logic into every component that needs it doesn't scale. In this video you'll extract reusable reactive logic into a composable, a plain function that returns refs and methods. This is a genuinely reusable composable plain JavaScript, no component required to define it. This component gets its own independent count. Calling useCounter creates fresh state each time. A second component calling the same composable gets a genuinely separate count, starting at 100. Clicking one never affects the other. A composable can genuinely use lifecycle hooks internally too. Any component using this gets live window with tracking with automatic cleanup. Copy-pasted logic drifts out of sync the moment one copy gets a bug fix, the others don't. A composable centralizes that real logic once, and every component using it gets fully independent, correctly isolated reactive state. A composable is a plain function, use something, that wraps ref computed watch and returns state. Each component calling a composable gets its own independent reactive state, not shared state. Composables can use lifecycle hooks internally, bundling setup and cleanup together. Write a useToggle composable returning a boolean ref and a toggle function, then use it in a component. Next, reaching directly into the real DOM with template refs.